which golden eagle just paid me a visit. Swooped around over my head and landed just past that log. He's in the shade. Just walking around like he owns the place. Big bird. See if I can put the rod down and maybe walk over to him. I don't know if he'll have any of that, but we'll see. Still sitting there. It's a big bird. Holy crap. Just want to say hello, buddy. Just want to say hello. About 2 seconds away from flying, I think.